1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4,
Open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
Hey, Teddy, are you ready?
I am one ready Teddy. Everybody clap, clap, clap along.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn off the light.
Everybody say shh.
Teddy bear, say goodnight.
Hi, Super Jack here. Did you know you have a superpower? We all do. It's called the power of imagination. And that just means using your brain to think about something that's not really there. If you've ever played pretend, you've used your imagination. It's super fun. Will you imagine with me? Awesome. Let's think of an animal. How about a dog? Whoa! Now, let's really use our imaginations. What if the dog was blue? Awesome! With red polka dots. What? And wings. Bye, doggy. Would you like to have more fun with your imagination? Awesome! Let's sing a song and imagine more animals doing the silliest things we can think of.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a snail, chase a whale.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a snail, chase a whale.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
Saw a snail, chase a whale, all around the water pail. Hey John, oh John,
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John. Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba. Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
saw a frog, chase a dog.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a frog, chase a dog.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
Saw a frog, chase a dog, sitting on a hollow log. Hey John, oh John,
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John. Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba. Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
saw a flea, kick a tree.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
Saw a flea, kick a tree.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
Saw a flea, kick a tree in the middle of the sea. Hey John, oh John,
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
That was fun! What other funny animals can you imagine?
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
heard a cow say meow.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, foo-ba, woo-ba.
Heard a cow say meow.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
Heard a cow say meow. Then I heard it say bow wow. Hey John, oh John,
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
hey John, oh John.
Foo-ba, woo-ba, John. Foo-ba, woo-ba, John.
Wow! You have a great imagination. Thanks for sharing it with me. Before I go, could you help me imagine one more thing? Cool! Thanks! Alright, help me imagine that I am a cartoon character! Whoa! Well, I guess we're out of here. Keep imagining. Bye.
I'm so hungry.
Look, Eep. Cheese.
Eat, eat. Looks like it's time to eat.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock,
One more time.
hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck two and down he flew. Hickory dickory dock.
Cheese, anyone?
Okay, it's ready. Check it out.
All right. The moon! And look at all those stars! Amazing! I can look at the sky all night long.
Ooh, did you know? Long ago, people looked up at the stars and imagined pictures in the sky.
Pictures in the stars? Like a game of connect the dots.
Exactly.
Look, can you see that?
It looks like a cow.
Jumping over the moon. And that reminds me of one of my favorite songs. Come on. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey doodle doodle, the cat ate, and noodle the cow danced with the baboon. The little dog baked a birthday cake, and the dish sang a song with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey daddle daddle, the cat's in the saddle, the cow sailed on a balloon. The little dog played the xylophone, and the dish jumped a broom with the spoon. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle dee, hey doodle doodle doo, hey daddle daddle dee dum. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon.
Wow, there's a lot happening up in the sky.
There sure is. The next time you look up at the sky, what will you see?
Can you imagine animals? What are they doing?
Ooh, I know. Look, they're saying goodbye.
That's our cue.
Bye.
See you next time.
Keep looking up.
Wow, look at these roses.
This reminds me of a fun song and game. Have you ever played Ring Around the Rosie?
Yeah. Can I play? Sure. Come on.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Skipping and a singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and a singing and having lots of
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Teddy.
Oh, I love gardens. Can I help?
For sure. First, we have to plant the seeds.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, and here's a watering can.
Thank you.
Now, let's give these flowers a little shower.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow?
With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
A little cinnamon.
A little bit of nutmeg. We are the best cooks ever!
I can't wait to see your pie.
It's almost ready. And for the final ingredient.
Oh no! It looks like we're all out of water.
But my pie! There's a water fountain at the top of that hill.
Let's go! Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper, and went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jill came in and she did grin to see Jack's paper plaster. She jumped for joy to see the boy all healed from his disaster. Jill and Jack, they made a pact to fix that road the next day. They had the will to tame that hill and make a safer pathway. With stones and sticks and mud and bricks, they built with careful timing steps to guide them up the side, the hill that they were climbing. Jack and Jill, they worked until they put the final block on, and there's the highest staircase wide, enough for all to walk on. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. The steps were good, and so they could live happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. At last, water!
I have a feeling this pie is gonna be perfect. Here we go.
I hope so. Let's see it.
Yes! We did it! Now, would anybody like some pie?